In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use coupons on Walmart app, step by step. We'll walk through opening the app, signing in, choosing an item, applying a promo code, and placing your order so you can check out with confidence and save money. Start by opening the Walmart app on your device. Give it a moment to load the home screen. If you're not already signed in, tap Sign In and enter your account details. Being logged in ensures your cart, saved addresses, and payment methods are available, and it helps the app validate any promotions tied to your account. Once you're in, scroll through the home feed or use the search bar to find something you want to buy. Tap the item to open its product page. Take a quick look at the price, availability, and any notes about eligibility, since some coupons only apply to specific items or categories. When you're ready, tap Add to Cart. If you need more than one, adjust the quantity here before moving on. Next, tap the cart icon to open your cart. Review your items and make sure everything looks right. You'll see a subtotal here, which is helpful because you'll be able to compare it to the new total after the promo code is applied. When you're ready, tap Continue to Checkout. On the checkout screen, scroll down until you see the option that says Have a promo code. This is the section where you'll enter the coupon. Tap it to open the field, then type or paste your code carefully. Avoid extra spaces at the beginning or end. Those can cause errors. Now tap Apply. The app will verify the code and refresh your total. Look for a line showing the discount and confirm that the new total reflects the savings. If the code doesn't apply, double-check common requirements, like minimum purchase amount, eligible items, expiration dates, or whether the offer is limited to pickup or delivery orders. If it's still not working, make sure you're signed into the correct account and that the items in your cart match the terms of the promotion. With the discount applied and your order details confirmed, tap Place Order. This finalizes your purchase using the delivery or pickup preferences and payment methods shown on the checkout screen. Take a quick moment to review everything before you tap so there are no surprises. That's it. You've opened the app, signed in, added an item, applied your promo code, and placed your order. Enjoy the savings, and remember to keep an eye on future promotions for even better deals.